Welcome back to Cholla Farm. Today we are rolling up our sleeves for some much needed repairs inside our chicken coop. See these? Our layers have been laying on open boxes, and that's about to change. We are upgrading to closed nesting boxes, and trust me, our girls are going to love it. Let's get into it. So we noticed something. I believe you have also noticed that some of our layers were using these open laying boxes, but we weren't getting as many eggs as expected. They felt too exposed and uncomfortable, especially during cold or bright weather. That's why we decided to upgrade to closed laying boxes, which offer privacy, warmth, and a more secure space, all of which helps our hens lay better and more consistently. Some of our closed boxes also needed a little TLC, like this one. The top was completely off, so even though it's a closed box, it wasn't doing its job. With broken tops, we noticed hens weren't using these boxes, proving again that cover and comfort matters. So we called in our trustee Fundi to take accurate measurements before beginning the job. The boxes needed to fit perfectly inside each room to ensure they were sturdy and space efficient. Repairs in a chicken coop aren't just about looks. They're about chicken's health, safety, and productivity. A clean, comfortable environment keeps your bird stress-free and your egg basket full. Broken corners, sharp wood, or even holes in the floor can reduce laying. It also causes injuries or even harbor disease. So we stay on top of our repairs. On repair day, we made a big sacrifice, a full day dedicated to this job. Why? Because hens are sensitive to change, and we didn't want stress to affect their laying. That's why we gave them anti-stress supplements early in the morning to keep them calm throughout the repair process. To avoid overwhelming the chickens, we kept it simple, just the fundi and one of our colleagues assisting him. Less human traffic in the coop means less panic for the hens. They work together smoothly, removing old boxes, reshaping wood, and customizing each unit to fit our hens' needs. As the work continued, the laying boxes slowly took shape. Each one was measured, cut, and fitted by hand. It's no small task, especially when working with heavy load. This kind of work takes time, but it's worth every minute for a long-term solution. And just like that, brand new closed laying boxes, strong, clean, and already occupied. We've also spotted, some few fresh eggs in them just hours after insulation. And you've seen how happy the birds are to eventually start laying in the new nesting boxes. This upgrade, I can say it's already working. one last touch, sawdust. One of our team member added a fresh soft layer to each box so that the eggs stay cushioned and safe from cracks. It's the little things that make the biggest difference. All right. We also cleared out all the used wood shavings, something we do regularly to keep things clean and fresh for the birds. Old bedding can get damp and messy, and that's not ideal for layers. Before putting in new sawdust, of course, we lay down fresh sacks to cover up any holes scratched open by the chickens. And these small fixes go a long way in keeping the coop in good shape. Now we've got a clean, smooth base, which makes the space more hygienic, easier to clean, and just better for the flock overall. It's the little things like this that keep the farm running smoothly. Thanks for hanging out with us at Cholla Farm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch our videos till the end. It really supports our channel. Subscribe for more farm stories, and see you in the next one.